Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be working again in my creative journal, the B5 size creative journal that I have right here. And we are going to be working also with this sticker book from Live, Love, Posh. You guys have seen me use this sticker book a lot of times. This is the summer edition. So we're going to do this again to try to finish my spreads for the month of July. Because I try to get ahead of the game. Ahead of the game whenever I'm doing this. So let me show you the tapes first that we'll be using. These two tapes right here came from, I think, a set I ended up getting from Temu. This tape right here I've had for a very long time, so I don't know where that tape came from, but as you can see, it's got seashells in it. And then these two tapes right here, this one also don't know where it came from, but this one came from a set from Amazon. So we're going to be using these tapes today with the spread that I'm getting ready to show you that we're going to use. And I do have an idea for what I want to do. So I'm going to move this out of the way for a minute. This is the spread that I want to use out of this book. It is a very beachy spread. I like it because of the colors that it has. So that's the reason why I'm choosing to do this spread. But also is because too, instead of me doing Dutch doors this time in this creative journal, I think I'm going to try to do just a regular spread in this journal, but probably do waterfall tabs. I've never just really done waterfall tabs in my journal to make it decorative. So this time that's what I'm going to do. But we're going to use these stickers here, and she does give you two sheets. Well, no, two sheets of this is what you get, and they are duplicate, but they are not flipped. So you wouldn't be able to use these as Dutch doors unless you turned it a different way. So yeah, these are this is the set that we're going to use. And we will be working again, like I said, in my creative journal. Again, this is a B5 size. So this is the journal that I use whenever I'm doing my thoughts to God, or just to have my little conversations, everything that I want to talk to him about. I choose a B5 size to do this because I don't want to compromise this journal with stickers for my thoughts. I need to make sure that I have enough room to write down what I'm going to write. And if that means that I only have one sticker on the page, then that's what it means. But I'm not going to overly stick these so that I don't have enough room to write, is what I'm saying. So yeah, let's get into this decorating. All right, you guys. So what I'm going to do is actually work my way backwards to the front. So this is the very last page of my Dutch door, and actually it's not a Dutch door. Well, yeah, it is a Dutch door, I guess you can say that, because you are making cuts. However, this is more so a easy Dutch door because it's just you working with washi tape to create your waterfall tab. So I'm working from the very back page until I get to the front, and I decided to use different size washi tapes and just kind of figure out where I want the cuts to go. I think that if you are new to the Dutch door thing, or just trying to add some character to your spread, I feel like waterfall tabs can go a long way. Some think that, they're very simplistic, and they can be. However, it depends on the type of washi tape you're using. It could be a big, bold washi tape, or, it could be something thin and skinny, or just neutral colored, or whatever. It just all depends on your preference and what you want, or even how you're trying to get your spread to go. So in my case, because of the spread that I'm using and the washi tape that I've actually chosen, my washi tape is, pretty simple. So anyway, we are just going to create straight lines right here, because when you're doing these type of doors or spreads, it's just really a straight line. So you don't have to do anything crazy by I never had to bring out my gyro cut at all with this. I just used scissors. Sometimes I didn't even have to use scissors. I just used a straight edge. So that's how simple these particular spreads can be. So yeah, we're just going to go through and add our washi tape and get started with the spread. For those of you that are new to my channel, hello and welcome. And for all of you that are oldies but goodies, welcome back. I just wanted to let you guys know, for those that are new to my channel, my name is Amy, better known as Amy Girl on this page. And I try to show you guys how I create in my particular journals. I do not like to do a lot of talking, and I say that sometimes and then end up going off on a talking spree, but for the most part I like to just keep it simple, tell you the products that I'm using, and then just kind of have you to vibe along with me as I'm creating my spread. So you will find on my page that it is really laid back. I talk very little in some of my in some of my videos. But for the most part, I just want you to just kind of find a place where you can watch somebody create, put a spread together, and not really have to listen to all the talking, and just kind of get lost in the world of stickers. That's what I like to bring to my channel. So with that being said, I am going to hush for a little while, let you guys watch me create, and then I will be back on to talk to you in just a little bit. Okay, so you saw me take some of my washi tape to try to make it look a little textured. I just took the washi tape and actually just ripped it down the middle so that I could get that textured look, to just create a little bit of definition, when it comes down to the waterfall tabs. You can do that with pretty much any of your washi tapes. I've done this trick before. It's really nothing, hard about it, but it does add, like I said, some definition to your spread. So now we're going to get into the sticker part of this. These stickers are absolutely beautiful. You guys have heard me several times rave about Live Love Posh. I just love her stickers. She creates beautiful stickers. The design of the stickers, I mean, like, she has so many different options that she offers, all the way down to bright and whimsical to, light and airy. Like, you can find just about any type of sticker that you're kind of feeling, hand drawn, type of stickers. Like, she offers it. So if you are new to any of these, or just trying to decorate your journal, planner, or whatever, I would highly recommend using her stickers, because you just are going to have a lot of options when it comes down to her stickers. I can rave about her all day, and I don't get paid for this. Like, I genuinely love her stickers so much that, yes, I spend my money on her books. Like, they're just so good. So, anyway, back to this whole spread. This whole beachy spread is just very calming. It's something about blue with me in the summertime, and especially for like beachy weather. I think it reminds me of like nautical, and the blues. It's like different types of blues. Like, it doesn't have to just be one particular type. It's gonna be different types of blues, and that's what I love about using this particular spread, because it gives you a very soft look, not something that's so tropical. This is kind of like laid back, to me, that type of look. I want to apologize to you guys again about not being in frame. One day, okay, I will have this under control and I will have like a awesome video where you can see everything. Right now, I guess I'm just in a learning curve and it's just like 1 minute I'm in frame, the next minute I'm not in frame. It's crazy, but one day as it get better, okay? Just bear with me. Please just bear with me. One thing I wanted to talk about is how to build a scene. Sometimes this particular task can be a little bit difficult for me when I'm trying to like build a scene in the book with the stickers that they provide. The only advice that I would have in order to build a scene is to gather similar images that would create the scene. Like for instance, I got waves down here and then a sailboat, because a sailboat actually will be in the water. And then little elements you could actually also add would be maybe some seashells, if they had maybe a sign that tells you to the beach, that type deal. And I would put all of that together to kind of build a scene. Another thing that I would do is I would look at the stickers and see what goes together. So like for instance, if I came across maybe some clothing items, so you might have a jacket, some shoes, sunglasses, a purse, perfume, all of that stuff kind of goes together. So I would just put it in a collage and, put it somewhere on the paper where it kind of made sense to me. I just know that sometimes it doesn't always come to mind for me on how to build a scene. So that is also part of your creativity and how you see your pages coming together and what you would want on your page to try to build a scene. Layering stickers is also another way to be able to build a scene. I love to layer stickers, and the stickers that I like to overlay are actually the clear stickers because they just melt into each other. When you have like a white background or paper stickers like what I'm working with now, it can kind of be hard to layer them. Well, I'm not going to say hard, but if you were wanting something just kind of blend into it, sometimes part of the sticker could look as if it is not part of that scene. But it just really all depends, you guys. It's just about using your creativity or using your mind to figure out how you want your spread to go. And it's also all about trial and error, because if I don't like a way that a sticker is positioned, or if a sticker is not working for me, I'm going to cut that bad boy up. Okay. I like to preach very often in my videos, don't be afraid to cut your stickers, because your stickers are supposed to work for you. Okay. So if you see a sticker that you just feel like, I want this to work right here, but in order for it to work, it would have to be this way or that way, then make it that way and cut that sticker up so that it could be or do or fit what you need it to fit. Because sometimes you're just not going to get what you want out of that set, but you can get darn near close to maybe what you're thinking about. And also, don't be afraid to use other stickers. You don't have to stick to one sticker book. You don't have to stick to one kit. You could use different stickers at different times. Go back and forth and just figure out what you like. Don't stick to one routine, because creativity is not one routine. It's not a one-way thing. It is all about how you really want your stickers to lay, what you're trying to express. And if it takes you having to use multiple stickers from different areas, then it's okay. We show you, or let me say, I show you how I would use the spread, but it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to use the spread the same way. You understand what I'm saying? I think you do.
All right, you guys, we are nearing the end of this video, and I'm just going to go through and put some finishing touches on the spread. I hope that the spread gave you some type of inspiration to be able to use in your journal or your planner. If it did, let me know down in the comment section. I love to chit chat with you guys. Let me know also if you would use something different, because, you know, of course, we are all different. Let me know if you wanted to try, or you think you're going to try out the waterfall tabs. When I tell you they are the easiest, most simplistic way you could go to do a Dutch door, just by adding in some washi tape. And it doesn't have to be washi tape. You can use scrapbook paper. You can color in your waterfall tabs. I mean, it's limitless. You can do anything to create a waterfall tab, but it is a easy way to just kind of do a Dutch door. So let me know down below if you've ever tried it, or if you're thinking about trying it. For those of you that are new to my channel, thank you for watching this video. For those of you that are oldies and goodies, continue to come back. Thank you. But if you are new to my channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. I am trying to post a little more regularly. My goal is to get a video up every Sunday, Wednesday, and Fridays. Those are my goals. Sometimes I may not make it and have that to happen, but I want to try to aim towards those goals, just to give you guys some type of inspiration for your planners or your journals, because I do have to keep my journal decorated, two of my journals pre-decorated, so that I won't run out, and when I get ready to use it, I won't have an excuse not to use it because it's not decorated, because I know myself. Okay, so that's the schedule that I'm trying to aim for. But again, it may not be that, because I do work a very busy 9 to 5, so I might only get 2 videos up. But either which way, you will definitely get a video in a week. And so if you do like these type of videos, then definitely think about hitting that subscribe button down below. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you on my next one. Until then, remember, happy creating.